I realized something embarrassing this week. I was spending $60 per month on AI. I had GPT for reasoning, Google Gemini for images, and I was also using Claude for writing. I thought I needed them until I saw this article. Then I read this technical report. A Chinese lab called Moonshot AI just dropped Kimi K2.5. It is the first open source model trained on 15 trillion native multimodal tokens. It beats GPT 5.2 on human level reasoning. It has a feature called Agent Swarm, and it can spawn 100 AI agents to do my work simultaneously. I finally hit cancel on my subscriptions, and today I'm going to show you exactly why. Watch this video till the end. I'm just not going to review a chatbot. Today, I'm going to show you 3 specific benchmarks that you need to check when assessing any new AI tools, and what they actually mean so that you don't get tricked by marketing hype. And as a bonus, I'm going to show you 2 specific ways you can access Kimi for free. Whether you are a casual user or a privacy diehard fan who wants to run this model locally on your PC. But first, let's look at the numbers. Let's start with AIME. This stands for the American Invitational Mathematics Examination. This isn't a high school math. It is invite-only Olympics for the top 5% of math geniuses. The answer is always an integer between 0 and 999. So the AI can guess. Most humans score 0. Kimi 2.5 scored 96.1%. This is arguably the smartest math score on the planet right now, beating even Claude 3.5 Opus, which is at 92.8%. Next is a big one, which is humanity's last exam. This test was created because AI got too smart for normal tests. It asked 3,000 questions across law, quantum physics, and medicine that required tool used to solve. GPT 5.2 scored a 45.5 and Kimi scored 50.2. That 5-point gap is massive. It means Kimi is less likely to hallucinate when you ask it to do a complex multi-step job. And finally, for the coders, Live Code Bench. Most coding benchmarks are old because AIs have already memorized all the answers. Live Code Bench uses problem from this month. Kimi scored 83.1% against Gemini Pro. This proved Kimi isn't just reciting a memory, it is actually trying to solve them real time. So how is a free model doing this? It was trained on a 15 trillion native multi-modal tokens. Most of the models are trained on text and then have eyes added later. But Kimi watched the video and read the text at the same time during training. And that is why Kimi is able to understand the world better. Now let's see the HLE reasoning in action. This is the agent swarm. I gave a nightmare task to GPT and Kimi. I asked them to find top 50 AI stocks, read their latest earnings reports, and rank them by PE ratio. First, let's try with GPT, and it choked, surprisingly, and you are paying subscription for this model. Now let's get to Kimi. I pasted the same prompt in Kimi and let's see how its agents work. It spawned 100 sub-agents. One team scraped Yahoo Finances, another read the SEC filing, another built the Excel report. It didn't just give me a list, it gave me a full financial analysis. So here we are. Everything looks perfect. And it is free. So what's the catch with Kimi? This is a Moonshot AI, which is a Chinese firm. If you are working on top secret data, do not paste in their web cloud. The privacy laws are different there. However, because this is an open source, you don't have to use their cloud. Here is how you can access it safely. Step 1. For casual users, go to Kimi.ai. You will need a Google account and you will get the full swarm capability instantly. It is the easiest way to test its power. For the privacy users, go to Hugging Face. I will link down in the description below. You can download the model and run Kimi locally on your PC. This gives you 96% math score, 0 privacy risk, and 0 subscription fees. I'm saving $720 a year, even if you don't. But now at least you know how to check these new AI models. If you want the guide how to install the local version on your PC, just comment down in the description below and I will make a video about it. I am TechXsense, catch you in the next one.